think we have time for one more question. And from 8-Bit Boys, they ask, based on everything you know of Jack, if he did not leave Commodore, how different would you think Commodore's path would have been from what it became with Jack in control during the Amiga years?
If Jack stayed at Commodore, number one, his three sons would have come into the company. His three sons were very, very, very smart and skilled in their three areas. They would have helped him continue his unique culture of innovation. I would have stayed there and done some more product management of some future products. We would have kept doing new generations of products internally instead of buying outside like Amiga. Every 12 months or so, we were doing new products, and that was our goal, was to do a new product technology, new computer technology every 12 months. We would have been in the smartphone business. We would have probably built software into computers more, as we were just starting to do. I was leading the charge on that. I wanted software to be built into computers, so when you turned them on, they instantly worked. You didn't have to go sit and load a disk or a tape or get a cartridge. But you could update the software by plugging a cartridge into the back. That was easy to do. It's called a dongle, a little cartridge that would update the software periodically. So I think a lot of things would have happened. We would have gone into other technologies, and we would have kept going. But when Jack left, the culture of innovation left, and the old IBM style, I call them the gray-haired old men. I have gray hair. I'm old now, older. I don't feel old. I am older though. So I think that gray-haired old men, when they took over Commodore, they just destroyed it. And if Jack had stayed in charge, he would have kept the culture of innovation going. He would have kept charging, and his sons would have taken over. And I think it's a tragedy that his sons were not allowed to do that. They went to Atari and they showed their capability. They did very well at Atari. So obviously they would have done well at Commodore because they did well at Atari. They proved it. So I think if Jack stayed in the saddle, everybody would have benefited.